Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to write creative content that can attract your target audience and influence them to buy the products you promote. In order to do that, we've to use a common marketing model, which is the Aida model. So, I'll explain what is the Aida model, how can we use it, and most important I'll give you some examples of how this model can be used in both blog posts and social media posts. So, what is the Aida model? It is a model used in marketing that describes the steps a customer goes through in the process of purchasing a product. The Aida model has been in use since the late 19th century. It has been reviewed and modified multiple times over the years, both in marketing and public relations. The Aida model is an acronym. It stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Who created the Aida model? The Aida model was developed by the American businessman, E. St. Elmo Lewis, in 1898. The original main purpose was to optimize sales calls, specifically the interaction between seller and buyer concerning the product. Lewis can be considered a pioneer when it comes to the use of scientific methods for designing advertising and sales processes. At the same time, it was very important for Lewis to view advertising as a type of training that assisted the beneficiary. Lewis's theoretical explanations of advertising theory rested on extensive experience. He was, for example, marketing head at various companies and advised organizations as well as companies involved in the conception of advertising measures and campaigns. He has shared his knowledge in the form of various publications, both in written form and in seminars at U.S. universities. His Aida model can be perceived as an important legacy, because the formula is still used more than 100 years after its first appearance, for example in digital marketing. How is Aida used? The Aida model has shaped the views on marketing and sales strategies for over 100 years. The formula can still be found in current standard marketing textbooks. Beyond that, Aida is also used in PR to plan and analyze the effectiveness of PR campaigns, and still provides valuable information for the analysis of advertising messages. The benefit of this simple formula can be found in its simplicity and flexible application possibilities in areas other than store-based or stationary sales. In e-commerce, for example, the effectiveness of the product presentation in an online shop could be analyzed using the 4 aspects of the Aida formula. What is the Aida approach? The Aida model is based on 4 individual stages that attract interested parties who are deciding on a product or service. First, attract attention. The product must attract the consumer's attention. Second, maintain interest. In the first phase, the attention of the potential customer is piqued, their interest in the product or service should be evoked. Third, create desire. If interest in the product is evoked, it is the seller's task to persuade the customer that they want to own this product. In the best case scenario, the advertisement or the product itself creates the desire to purchase. Finally, take action. As soon as the desire to buy is aroused, this must be transferred into action, that is, the purchase. So, let's see an example of writing a selling content for one of Fitness House products using the Aida model. The product we are trying to sell is 4D Smart Eye Massager, which is used to relieve eye fatigue and eliminate eye strain. Now, let's see the content together in the Aida model perspective. You won't believe it. Get your 4D Smart Eye Massager at only $87 instead of $184. And save $97. Quickly eliminate eye strain. Full set of 4D airbags, imitating artificial massage. 42 degrees Celsius hot compress function can relieve eye fatigue. 15 minutes synchronization function, so you don't need to worry about too much massage. Also, there is a Bluetooth system that can connect your phone to play your favorite music. This way you can relax during the massage. Answer the call. Can chat with friends during massage. LCD display. The display is clear, even the elderly can easily see. In addition, there are 5 intelligent massage modes for you to choose. Used USB charging. 1600 mAh lithium battery. Can work long hours. Adjustable elastic headband. You can adjust the elasticity of the headband to fit your face, and the elastic headband is designed to fit the head of most people. One-click folding. Can be carried around to quickly save storage space. We not only sell high-quality eye massagers but also provide the best after-sales service and free maintenance for life. If the product fails, we will replace it with a new product or part for free. This is our trust in product quality and our responsibility to consumers. 24-hour online customer service can help you answer your questions. What are you waiting for? Just click the link below and get your awesome 4D Smart Eye Massager with a 53% discount. Now, we can see that I've used the discount price to create an attraction for the customers. And I recommend that you do the same if you want to show a discounted price for any product or service that you promote. And that is because you need to get your offer seen in the first 2 sentences, especially in social media networks like Facebook and Instagram. Otherwise, you'll depend on the consumer to press see more in order to view your promotion. And that won't happen. So, my recommendation for you is to create an attraction using the promotion you have. Then, I use the product's features in order to maintain the customer's interest in reading the content. As now the customer needs to know what exactly he will be buying. What problem does the product solve? And how? What other features does the product offer? Then, I've used the guarantee section to create the customer's desire in the product. As you can see, I've mentioned that our product is a high-quality product, after-sales service and free maintenance for life, which makes the customers trust our business. I've mentioned that we can replace the product or any part of it for free. And finally, the 24 hours customer service to answer any of the customer's questions. This is enough to create a desire for the customer to buy the product. And if you see the products page, you'll find that I got all the text from it. And this is a very important note to keep in mind. Don't ever write any feature or guarantee that is not written on the products page. And that is because interested customers will go first to the products page and make sure that all that they have read in your post does really exist there. And if they found that there is a difference between the features and guarantee you offer and the features and guarantee on the products page, they won't buy the product. And finally, I've mentioned the action required to be taken by the reader. You have to determine what action you want the reader to take. Don't ever rely on the reader to take the action himself. You have to mention it yourself.